how do you as a PM use like data to validate or invalidate some of your assumptions?
Yeah, man, that's a good question. I feel like that's most of what I do actually, and it's going to be tough to answer concisely. There's about a couple dozen different things that we'll do. Probably the best way for me to frame it is, so the way that my team works is we have two kind of high level work tracks. We have the discovery track and then we have the delivery track. Delivery track is all about building scalable, reliable production software, right? It's super robust, it's not going to break, and it's ready to scale. The discovery track is about figuring out what we want to build and what we should build. So in discovery, we employ a variety of techniques to validate our ideas. We make prototypes, we make design prototypes in tools like Figma or InVision. We make feasibility prototypes, which is quite simply when one of your developers builds out the feature, but they don't have a design spec. You just tell them, I don't care what it looks like. It doesn't matter if it's pretty. Just build this or try to build this. See if you can explore and figure out if it's functionally possible. So that's kind of our feasibility prototype idea. So we do those. We get customer input through either sending out surveys or polls, like through a tool like Pindo, or we'll do customer interviews and user interviews. In order to schedule those, oftentimes I partner with my client service team because they have so much kind of direct daily communication with our customers. So it's pretty easy for me to get an interview through client services. If I email a customer directly, they might not know who I am and they might or might not respond, right? So I usually partner with client services to get an interview. And another thing that we do is my team focuses a lot on product experimentation. So experimentation is more of, what sort of small, lightweight adjustment to the experience can we make in a manner that allows us to reliably measure change in user behavior? And so it's a lot about measurement. So we're gathering quantitative data and we're looking at changes in user behavior. Oftentimes we're trying to drive them to a particular sort of conversion point in the product, whether that's buying something or clicking on that thing or making a post in your feed or what have you. And so we'll employ a variety of techniques to run product experimentation, but the main point of it is that that's where a lot of our quantitative data will come from in terms of validating an idea.